all dressed up, nowhere to go. Looks so easy, and isn't you know? Hard to find what you've been dreaming of, but there's something special about all of it.
Just keep your mouth shut. 10 more minutes. Collect your money and get the heck out of here.
Well, are we amusing you? What is this?
I'm finished. What do you think?
What is it?
It's a shoe rack with a twist. Turn this little crank down here. They split apart. Those two come forward. Twice as much space.
Stop boring me with your absurdities. What's it made of?
It's called wood. It's oak.
Oak? An oak closet? Ha! Why am I even amazed?
I don't know, lady. Why are you amazed?
One would think you would know that closets are made of cedar. If not, we get moths.
Lady, here on the Pacific Coast, we don't have much of a moth problem. But that's fine. If you want it out of cedar, I'll redo it. Just gotta tell you, it's gonna more than double my estimate.
What do you mean?
I mean, I've already made it out of oak.
I'm not paying for your mistake.
Well, I'm not gonna eat it on this one, lady.
You've eaten everything else here and you will eat it because I wanted cedar.
Well, lady, you may have wanted cedar, but you didn't ask for it.
Everyone in the entire civilized world knows that closets are made of cedar.
Well, here in Elk Snot, we don't know much about them there closets. We don't know much about toilets either. Heck, woman, you's lucky our house broke.
You were listening.
Well, you're kind of hard to avoid.
Well, you can avoid it now because you're fired.
Fired? Lady, you're unbelievable, but that's fine. Just pay me what you owe me and I'll leave.
The job was not done to my satisfaction.
Lady, I got news for you. No job will ever be done to your satisfaction.
Well, that's fine. Just get out.
Pay me what you owe me and I'm gone.
You and me, something special about all of it.